The infotainment system is the control center of your ID. Here you can operate functions, adjust settings, choose apps, navigate, make phone calls, listen to music and much more. Tap on one of the tiles to open a menu. The Home button always takes you back to the main menu. You can arrange the tiles as you like. Simply tap, hold and then move them. Besides the main menu, the home screen is particularly handy. Here, extra large tiles show you your favorite functions. You can also customize this view and set up quick access to the map or your vehicle data, for example. Swipe down from the top of the screen with your finger to open the control center. Here you can switch between bright and dark mode, for example.
Volkswagen.